Hi, I'm Helen Panza, and welcome to Business 110 Workplace Technologies. We are going to journey into the world of IT. Sounds a little intimidating, I'm sure, but it really isn't. We're going to dissect everything in the IT world from hardware to software, networks, the web, applications, security, privacy, and any other topics you can think of. Our course is going to be comprised of Learn-Its, where you will likely learn new terminology. You've got a book for reference and to reinforce your Learn-Its. We will have live meetings. There are 4 of them for this course. And the first one is on December 21st at either 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Our course begins on December 20th. It's really important that you get into your class early that first week and come to my live meeting where we'll meet each other and get started on our learning. The next week, beginning December 24th, is a break at Bryan University. No one's expected to be in the course at work for a whole week. You can certainly work on your Learn-Its, work on your assignments if there are any that you're working on, and get caught up, get ahead. But there will likely not be very many educators, instructors, or admin around. So it's really important, I'm going to stress it again, to get into course that first week of class. I'll be watching for you. Meanwhile, think about what you want to learn in workplace technologies in the world of IT, and I will see you on December 21st. Bye.